About time to take a trail ride. Starting out right here at the house. All right, let's go. Cruising up Abington Lane right now off of Wheatley. Not too far from the trailhead at all. Taking a right here. Here we are at Sugar Bridge and Tunnel Vision. Cross the road and drop in, or where I'm about to go. By the way, water feature right there. Dropping in Tunnel Vision, heading down to Danger Will Robinson. Let's go. Lot of sweeps here. Good elevation drop, good berms. Yeah, this one's sweet. Couple G outs. Sure, right here for this one, which I'm not right now. All right, here we go. Some flow trail right behind the house. Pretty nice. Crossing overs. A little wet. Got a few gaps coming up. Looking forward to it. Shooting. Got another one coming up right here. Yep. Pretty sure there's a drop coming up over here. Oh, there it is. Sweet. There we go. Yeah. All right. Hey, that's new. Nice. There you have it. That's the drop in from the house, the drop in.